Hello everyone, how are we all doing? Today I want to do something, just a quick little video, something a little different. Seems every brand out there, I don't care if it's fabric softener, if it's cars, if it is chocolate, are cross branding. In other words, you find your favorite air freshener in your fabric softener, or you find your fabric softener now as a room deodorizer. Chocolate bars, what used to be the simple Hershey bar, they now make cereal, and they call it a Hershey cereal. So everything is doing everything just to get their name out more. And our beloved Reeses is doing the exact same thing. They are trying so many new products. We've all seen Reese's Pieces, of course. Those are 30 plus years old. Reese's Cups, Reese's Bars, which is just a Reese's Cup, but in a stick. King Cups, these cups, those cups, white chocolate cups, dark chocolate cups. But today, I came across something I hadn't seen. And that was this. And this is the Reese's cup, and the big cup, but it has potato chips inside of it. Now, is this any good? Or is this great marketing to sell a crap product? Well, I figured, you know what? Let's find out. So we've opened it up. We get two of them. And they look like the standard King Cups. They smell just like a normal Reese. But, gotta find out. Who knows? Maybe this is the next big thing. First bite, I'm not impressed. It tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. But the potato chips, well, they have a little crunch to them because they're so fine in this. You can't really even see them. You can in a way. Almost feel like sand. Like it's gritty on the teeth. Try again. Maybe it was just that bite, but the chips bring nothing to it other than the texture, which, like I said, is like eating little pebbles and sand. It like grates on the teeth, and it's not pleasant. The flavor, it's a Reese cup, but extra salty. So, would I run out to get these again? Not at all. Will I stick with a normal Reese cup? Yeah, for sure. But these, and of course, in typical Reese fashion, they melt at the slightest touch. Paper towel at hand. I'm still picking those little pieces of chip out of my teeth. Really unpleasant. So this just goes to show you, you can take your favorite brand, your favorite chocolate bar, and they can tweak it and do something to it. and totally destroy it. So there we go. Like I said, a quick little video because we were curious to see if it was worth the hype. And in this case, not at all. The only place this is good for, honestly, belongs in the recycling bin. Charging $3 Canadian for 2 King Cups that normally cost $2, but because they say they're putting potato chips in them, they charge $1 more, and it's crap. Save your money, folks. Don't bother. If you want to try peanut butter and chocolate and potato chips, great. Eat a Reeses cup and nibble on a chip afterwards. You'll enjoy it a lot more than this. This was total garbage. So, maybe we'll do more of these in the future. Who knows? Thought it'd be fun to do and something quick and easy to get out there. So everyone, thank you. My name is Andrew. I am the 5 p.m. chef. And until next time, have a great day.